Replacement filing pads for electric baby nail trimmer by Cherish Baby Care is one of the best sellers among baby nail care products. Safe and gentle, these cushioned filing pads extend the life of your Cherish electric baby nail trimmer so you can avoid using sharp tools to file your infant's nails. Fits any baby. The Baby Nail File Kit includes 4 color-coded file pads to match the age of your newborn or toddler from 0-12 plus months for the perfect manicure or pedicure. Cost-effective, these affordable extra filing pads allow you to use your baby electric nail file for years with all of your children. High quality. Unlike other replacement filing pads, these pads are premium quality and are designed exclusively for Cherish Baby Care, a Canadian company. Baby Nail Clippers. These replacement pads work with 2 infant nail clippers, Cherish Baby Nail Trimmer and Love Trimmer electric battery-operated nail trimmer for babies. Note: the Cherish Baby Nail Trimmer is sold separately.